Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built Glider Kit Daycab. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit 10 speed. It's got 709 total on the miles, 20,000 miles on an engine overhaul. I've got it hot this morning. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by, everything that you'd want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by's good. Body and paint looks really good. Fender's in great shape. Engine's clean. Got one chip on the bumper right there. Frame rails are clean. New drive tires, air slide fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels, excellent brakes. Seats are in good shape. Interior is clean. Passenger side, I don't know if that seat will clean up or just stain, just with some age. Nothing's torn up on it. Extra gauges. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, and that jumps up there exactly like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got more questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.